Alright, so hi guys, in this video right now I'm going to show you the RAM replacement or RAM installation video for the Intel NUC. This is a 12 gen Intel NUC, the NUC 12 WSH model. As you can see from the screen here, NUC 12 WSH. This is an i5 1240p model. I bought this from Marketplace at a bargain price, so I really got a good deal of this one. So we're going to do a RAM side grade, RAM upgrade for this because I already bought this with RAM installed on this machine, but it's only single channel RAM. Even though it's 16 gigabytes of RAM, this is a single channel model, so that's why I can't use the Intel XE graphics. So what I did is I bought 8 gigabyte RAM modules, two of them for 16 gigabytes, a Crucial RAM from Shopee, from the store IT World. They're running a sale right now, and I bought it. Then it just arrived early, just right now actually, and I'm already making this video. So without further ado, let's go with it. Let's open it with a crisscross pattern here on the Intel NUC. The good thing about this is that you don't need to you have no risk on losing a screw because the screw is like attached onto the case here. So no losing of screw here, guys. This is the only thing that you will need to open. It's also easy to open, by the way. Just 4 screws in there, then you're good to go. Let's open it up. Okay, we have opened it up. There we go. Here is it. Here is the insides of the Intel NUC. Be careful not to rip this cable off because that is the like the connection here. It's some sort of connection on the SATA cable because it also has, you can also install a 2.5-inch SSD or hard drive in here. So that's the SATA cable. Do not ever rip that off. And here it is. Here's the inside of the Intel NUC, guys. And let's just zoom it in on this part here. There we go. This is the pre-installed RAM, the team group RAM. Okay, what we're going to do right now is remove this RAM here. Just pulling in the mechanisms here, slowly but gently. Okay, we've just pulled out the RAM for a bit here. Here is the RAM, the pre-installed RAM when I bought this model. We're going to replace it now with the Crucial RAM that I have here. Crucial RAM. This is DDR4 3200 megahertz of RAM. 8 gigabyte modules. I bought 2 of them once again for 16 gigabyte, and so I can run it on dual channel mode. All right, I already opened it up. This is going to be the first one, Crucial RAM. Then put it inside here, just making sure that we line up the notch here. This one, lined it up perfectly. Wiggle around a bit and press it down. Oops, sorry. There you go. We installed a RAM successfully on the first slot. Next is the second slot of it with another Crucial RAM that I bought here, as you can see. And let's put it in on the top here. It has 2 slots of memory though, so which is pretty awesome. You can run dual channel it. Just making sure it fits here. Then, oops. Yeah. I'm being careful here. There you go. Then press it down. Okay. Right, that is installed. As you can see, guys, I don't know that that video is blurred, but as you can see, it's already installed there. So it's like the same on the first slot. Just make sure that the slot there is corresponds to it. Make sure it fits, then press it down until you hear a click. If you hear a click, that means that your RAM is installed properly. So I'm going to maybe sold this on the store here, then, or maybe just going to go and store this for now, the pre-installed RAM. And there you go, that's it. You're already installed. Just making sure. Okay, not to push a lot of pressure there, so to avoid damage. And that's about it. Just covered it up, the Intel NUC here. Oh yeah, okay. I just noticed that that I'm using a PCIe SSD here, SATA SSD, on my Intel NUC. They come with it pre-installed, but on the next upgrade, I'm going to install an NVMe SSD on this one. So make sure the front corresponds to the front of the Intel NUC. The front of the Intel NUC is where you'll find your power button, your headphone combo jack port, and also your two USB ports. So that is the front. Make sure that's correspond to the arrow there. Make sure that it's properly fit here. Yep, I think it's now already fitted. And after that, let's screw it in. Once again, we're going to do the crisscross pattern of screws. Make sure not to over tighten the screw. And that's about it. We just performed a RAM installation or an upgrade for the Intel NUC. How easy is that, guys? And that's about it for this video. If you like the video, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. It's your choice. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below in the comment section down below. And that's about it, guys. See you again on the next video. Bye bye.